Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be installing the Dome Glass Easy camera protector for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And as you can see here, you do get a 2-pack, which is really nice. You can replace it later on, or if you mess up like me when I put on my screen protector, you have an extra one to try again. So right here is just the instructions on the back, just a little 4-step process, very, very easy. It just sticks on there. So you do get 2 of them, like I said. In the bottom here, you do get 2 wipes and 2 dust removal stickers, one for each installation, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick wipe down right here initially. And then just open up one of the alcohol pads and wipe it down once again. Make sure you get any smudges or anything off, because you're not going to want any smudges on your camera lenses to show up in your pictures. Don't really have to worry about anything off the lenses because you won't be able to see it once you put this down. But just give it a good overall wipe down all over the camera bump area here. Wipe it off with your microfiber cloth again just to get it dry. And then give it a good, take one of the stickers off and get all the dust off. Again, make sure you don't have anything on any of the camera lenses themselves. Kind of get down in there because they are kind of recessed in there. Make sure you clean them all up and get any dust particles off. So once again, it doesn't make your photos blurry or show up in your photos. And then once that's done, just take your protector here out of the little sleeve. And just peel it off the little plastic thing right here. And then you do have to line this up yourself. It's not too hard though because it's pretty small, but I was working around the camera, so it's kind of a little bit harder for me. If you don't push it down, you can kind of adjust it a little bit, so kind of line the top up and then just slowly lay it down and make sure the bottom lines up. Mine was a little bit off, but not to the point where it messed anything up or was very noticeable. So you can see here, just adjust a little bit, and then once you get everything lined up, press it down and wipe everything back off, and you should be good to go. So very easy. Protects your camera, protects the whole back of your phone. So if you're sitting your phone down without a case on, your camera lenses aren't all getting scratched up and everything like that. And then I'll open up the camera here so we can just test to make sure there's nothing blocking anything. And as you can see, camera is working perfectly fine. No like shadows or anything on the edges over there. So very, very good. Another great product from Whitestone Dome. Check their link out down in the description below. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.